Alright, I'm making this video because I just bought Diablo 1 from Battle.net and I can't even get it to work after buying it. So this is how to get it to work, and you probably don't even need to buy it. Okay, so there's like Devolution Diablo. Yeah, this is the one we're looking for. So Devolution X is probably the easiest way for us to play Diablo. And what we do is we download it. So click download for, and I got Windows 11. I did this on Windows 11. I don't know what this Windows is, but it's probably gonna work. It's either 10 or 11. And then so I download it, okay, from this website. So I just search for devolutionx.com. Okay. And then I go to my downloads folder. I go, where is it? It's here. I extract it to somewhere. Extract all. So I'm gonna put it like in the documents because there's too much crap in downloads. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, the first step is I need to get this devolution thing to work. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so I got the devolution thing to work. Okay, so it doesn't quite work yet. I need one extra thing. It's like this this other file. Okay, and maybe I don't know what it is exactly, but it feels like the CD key from back in the day. Okay, so to get this other file, so the other file is called something like, it's called Diabdat.mpq. Okay, so because I bought the Diablo, I actually had that just from my I can buy it, and when you install it, you can just look for that file and copy it across. And you can just put in that file and it should work, or you can actually just find a copy of it somewhere online. But I'm not sure how many. So I think I found a download somewhere. So yeah, I think this guy had a free download. I mean, I actually bought the game. It just didn't work. It got blocked. Okay, why did that download get blocked? Download. Okay, so I downloaded it. It's in my downloads folder. Oh, it's downloading. Of course, you can skip or play this on 2x if you're bored, but like, I'm not gonna edit this probably unless lots of people can save time or something. So there's about a 500 meg file. You get it automatically when you buy Diablo 1 on Battle.net. Okay. So I actually already got this working on 2 of my computers, but not on this one yet. So I'll just show you how to do it. And then when you get in, there's some things I feel like still not that easy, but you can definitely play 4 players on the internet. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to download. Yeah, so yeah, it's actually quite shocking that when you pay for the version of Diablo 1, it doesn't actually just work straight away. Like when you get in, all the buttons, there's no text displayed. And I mean, there's probably other ways to fix that. But this seems pretty cool on its own. Like, this thing seems to have like health bars for the enemies. It has all these extra modifications that make the game a bit more playable. You can even run in town or something like that, so you don't have to wait to walk everywhere. There's also things that look kind of interesting. Okay, we're almost finished downloading here. Yeah, actually, I played this as a kid It's a good bonding experience with my parents, and now it's happening again when I'm the parent. Alright, okay, we got this file, okay? So we take the file. It's in downloads. Are you watching? We're moving. So we're moving the file from downloads to documents, yeah? And then in documents, where I installed this devolution thing, I put this file in here, yeah? See that? So now it's in here, Diabdat.mpq. I just double click on this thing. So this is the game. Skipping the cutscenes just to, yeah. So I'll just get to the point here. So this is called. I don't know too much about this, but yeah, it's super annoying stuff. And then I can create like a warrior, rogue, or sorcerer. I just randomly do anything. And here you can join. So the thing I didn't understand is how to create a private game, because you create a private game, but you don't know what the game name is. That's the thing I couldn't do. But I think doing public games is fine. So you can create a public game. I don't really know the game speed difference, but there it is. Yeah. So if you haven't played Diablo before, it's actually, this one's good because it's so simple. You can finish it and not like spend your life playing it. It's only like 16 levels or something. There's a health potions to heal. You get mana potions for this one, and you get to put stuff. You put the weapons on your thing. Okay. Alright, that's it. I hope it helps. So I haven't quite tested for 4 people yet, but I got 2 people to join. Well, I got 2 different BDAT files, but we'll see. Alright, hope that helps. Thanks, bye. Subscribe, like, comment, tell other people to subscribe, link, share, all that crap. Alright, thanks, bye.